Ever booked a service company only to be left waiting all day for a technician who shows up late and immediately tries to sell you something? We know the horror stories. If you're feeling cautious about calling an HVAC company, you have every right to be. In this video, we are pulling back the curtain on exactly what happens during an HVAC appointment with us. Who is coming to your house, how long will it take, and what's the actual process. No surprises and no hidden agendas.
Get Eco.
Hi, I'm Cam with Eco Plumbers, Electricians, and HVAC Technicians. Inviting a contractor into your home requires trust, but we believe trust has to be earned. Homeowners across Ohio call us because they want a clear, professional, no BS experience. So today we're walking you step by step through our exact service process, so you know exactly what to expect from the moment we dispatch our truck to the moment we leave your driveway. We respect your time. Before your appointment, you get a confirmation text and email. But more importantly, when your technician is actually on the way, you get another text with a live tracking link. You will see exactly where your tech is and exactly when they pull up to your house. No more guessing and no more waiting by the window. We will also send a photo and information about our technician coming to your home. When we knock on your door, we aren't rushing straight to the basement with a wrench. We start by listening. Whether your AC is blowing warm air, your furnace is making a terrifying noise, or you just want a routine tune-up, the first thing we do is hear exactly what you've been experiencing. We can't solve the problem if we don't fully understand your symptoms. Next comes the actual diagnosis. We don't just guess, we test. We check your electrical components, test the system's performance, and look for critical safety hazards. And here's the most important part. If we find something wrong, we show you. We'll explain the problem in plain English, no confusing industry terms, and no smoke and mirrors. This is the part where a lot of homeowners get nervous, expecting a high-pressure sales pitch. Not with us. Once we know exactly what's wrong, we give you options. That could be a simple repair, a maintenance fix, or yes, if your system is on its last legs, we'll have a project manager come have a conversation with you about replacement. But our job is strictly to give you the facts and the pricing up front. You are in the driver's seat. You decide what makes the most sense for your home and your wallet. Our trucks are fully stocked rolling warehouses. If you approve a repair, in most cases, we fix it right then and there. On the rare occasion your system requires a specialty part that we have to order, we don't leave you hanging for weeks. More often than not, we secure the part and get you scheduled for the very next day. And before we pack up our tools, we rigorously test the system to guarantee it's running properly and safely. We don't just hand you a bill and run. Before we leave, we walk you through exactly what we fixed and answer any lingering questions. If we notice a part that is starting to wear out but doesn't necessarily need to be replaced today, we will tell you. That way you can plan ahead instead of getting caught off guard by an expensive breakdown next season. At the end of the day, you deserve to know exactly who is coming to your home and what they're going to do. If you want a straight shooting, professional HVAC experience with zero surprises, hit the link in the description to book an appointment with our team. If you have questions before scheduling, give us a call. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at your door.